How to identify a plant with the help of a free app. That's what I'm going to show you in this video. So with the help of this app, you can simply point onto the plant and take a picture of that plant, and then this app is going to search the internet and would find out the relevant pictures, and it would also tell you the name of the plant. The accuracy of this app is very high, so it generally gives the name of the plant right. So I'm going to demonstrate that right now. So I've just opened a picture of a plant on my laptop and I'm trying to search this with the help of this app. As you can see that it has given the name that it's a spider plant, and also it has given the pictures of the plant from the internet. We'll try another plant again. So as you can see that it has also given the name of this plant. So with the help of this app you can find out the name of the plant and the details of the plant on the internet. And so now is the time to reveal this app with the help of which you can identify the plants, and this app is made by Google and it is called Google Lens. So you can download it from the Play Store. So here you can see the icon of the lens and you can open, and from here you can search for the plants and their name. So that's how you can identify the name of the plant with the help of a free app. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.